Alright class, today's episode is, yes, more sliders. I've been seeing them a lot lately, and so my fan theory is just give the people what they want. So guess what? We're going to do chopped cheese sliders, or as I like to call them, patty melts, whatever. The internet says chopped cheese sliders it is. But we are going to make them healthier, because that's just what we do. So, we're gonna make a sauce. We'll head out to the Blackstone, make the sliders, come back, eat, and yeah. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is I wanna get all my veggies prepped. So we are going to cook some diced onion into this. So you want one diced red onion, and I'm gonna try and do this as small of a diced as I can go. And nothing says sliders like some nice cooked onion, nice caramelized onion. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, there's our incredibly strong, small diced red onion, and I'm definitely not in tears behind the camera. We're gonna ignore that part. But next, I'm gonna chop up some romaine lettuce. All right, chopped lettuce, diced onion, and then I have some leftover homemade pickles, and I will put the recipe for this in the description below. But next, let's make a sauce. All right, to this, I'm going to add a half cup of olive oil mayo. Now, you probably won't use all of this, but for recipes purposes, this is how I'm gonna do it. Next, a quarter cup of low sodium, low sugar ketchup, and I'm going fancy mustard for this. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a half teaspoon of garlic, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of paprika, and about a quarter teaspoon of salt. And give that a good mix. All right, there's our sauce. So we're gonna set him off to the side with all of our veggies. And then of course, to season the chicken, we're gonna go a little bit of paprika, a little bit of onion powder, obviously salt and pepper, and then a little bit of garlic powder. And I have my chicken. Now I'm not using 3 pounds of chicken, but just visual purposes, chicken. And then we're gonna go mozzarella cheese slices, and we're probably gonna use anywhere from 3 to 4, probably leaning more towards 4, because it is technically a chopped cheese, so yeah. Anyway, then obviously we can't forget trusty Carb Smart rolls, but let's head out to the Blackstone, that way. If you knew just how good this smelled, bueno. So, now we're going to add our sauce to this. Okay, then we're gonna add some of our chopped lettuce on this. All right, and then some of our homemade pickles. And just like that, top bun on. Oh yeah, let's eat. All right, guys, so let's go with, I'm gonna go with this guy right here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Cheers. That's better. Alright. So first off, this sauce, meaning off a flip-flop. Okay? Like, yeah. This, amazing. Pickles give it a nice little bit of acidity to kind of cut through the, not fattiness, but the fattiness of the cheese, even though it is mozzarella cheese. And just to kind of give it something. And then that fresh lettuce. Oh yeah. And then the caramelized onions just add that feel of like a burger or something like that. It just kind of gives it that feel of this is what a slider is supposed to be. This is just how it's supposed to go. Yeah, but this sauce, 100% this sauce. Like, without a doubt. I could eat this a lot. Yeah. All right, new plan. You guys can have the sliders. I'm taking the sauce. Yeah, that was way yummy. But there you guys have it. Chicken chopped cheese sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!